Hello students, welcome to my channel Science English No Problem. My name is Tish Kumar Sharma and I am teaching you science. So my dear students, like our previous videos, today's video is also going to be very informative and very useful. So please watch the video till end. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel to support and motivate me so as to bring you far more useful and far more informative videos in future as well. So my dear students, without wasting any time, let's start our today's video. So my dear students, as you know very well that we have started a series of MCQs, and today's video is going to be and the chapter which we have taken is atoms and molecules, and today's video is going to be the second video of this chapter. So video is going to be very useful and very informative, so please watch the video till end. The first question which we have taken is 1 nanometer is equal to, first option is 10 raised to the power minus 9 millimeter, B is 10 raised to the power minus 7 centimeter, C is 10 raised to the power minus 9 centimeter, and D is 10 raised to the power minus 9 meter. So my dear students, always remember that 1 nanometer is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 9 meter. So A option and D option, these are absolutely incorrect. So now let's convert this meter into centimeter. So this can be written as 10 raised to the power minus 9 meter means 100 centimeter. This can be written as 10 raised to the power minus 9 into 10 raised to the power 2. 100 can be written as 10 raised to the power 2 centimeter. This is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 9 plus 2 centimeter. You know very well the formula of powers, that when base are equal, then powers get added. So this will become 10 raised to the power minus 7 centimeter. So 10 raised to the power minus centimeter. So B option is the correct option. Question number 2. The scientist who proposed the first letter of the Latin or English name of an element as its symbol was, first option is Dalton, second is Proust, C is Lavoisier, and D is Berzelius. So my dear students, always remember that the first scientist who proposed the first letter of Latin or English to be the symbol of an element was Berzelius. So D is the correct option. Question number 3. The atoms of which of the following pair of elements are most likely to exist in free state? First option is hydrogen and helium, B is argon and carbon, C is neon and nitrogen, and D is helium and neon. So my dear students, here the correct option is D, that is helium and neon. Now the atoms of helium and neon, they exist actually in the free state. Why? Because their atoms have completely filled outermost shell, so they don't actually make bond with the atoms of other elements. So atoms of helium and neon, these are actually inert gases, so they exist in the free state. So please remember this. Now my dear students, we have next question, question number 4. Which of the following elements has the same molecular mass as the atomic mass? First option is nitrogen, B is neon, C is oxygen, and D is fluorine. So my dear students, here the correct option is B, that is neon. So always remember that neon, or these are called inert gases. So inert gases have same molecular mass and atomic mass. So please remember this. Whereas atomic mass of nitrogen is 14U, whereas molecular mass of nitrogen is 28U. Why? Because nitrogen molecule has 2 atoms of nitrogen. Similarly, atomic mass and molecular mass of nitrogen and chlorine are also different. So B is the correct option. Question number 5. In water, the proportion of oxygen and hydrogen by mass is first option is 1 is to 4, B is 1 is to 8, C is 4 is to 1, and D is 8 is to 1. So how to calculate this proportion? Formula of water is H2O. This is a chemical formula for water. Now atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So there are two atoms of hydrogen, so 1 into 2 is 2. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16U. So this is equal to 2 is to 16. So 1 is to 8. So B is the correct option. Similarly, now question number 6. In hydrogen peroxide, that is H2O2, the chemical formula for hydrogen peroxide, the proportion of hydrogen and oxygen by mass is A is first option is 1 is to 8, B is 1 is to 16, C is 8 is to 1, and D is 16 is to 1. So again, hydrogen peroxide chemical formula H2O2. So atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. This is multiplied by 2 because there are 2 atoms of hydrogen, and atomic mass of oxygen is 16 multiplied by 2 because there are 2 atoms of oxygen in H2O2. So 2 is to 32, 16 to the 32, 1 is to 16. So B is the correct option. Now my dear students, we have question number 7. The symbols of elements cobalt, aluminium, helium and sodium respectively written by a student are as follows. The correct one is, first option is capital C capital O, B is capital A capital L, C is capital H small e, and D is capital S small o. So my dear students, A and B are absolutely incorrect, because while writing a symbol of any element, so first letter is capital and the other letters, the next letters are not actually capital. So A and B are absolutely incorrect. So now see, now here the sodium, this is sodium actually. So symbol for sodium is not SO, symbol of sodium is Na. So this is also incorrect. So C is the correct option. So this is symbol for helium. So small is capital H, small e. So C is the correct option. Question number 8, last question but not the least. The atomic number of an element X is 13. What will be the number of electrons in its ion X3+? So my dear students, always remember that this is actually positively charged ion. So this is cation, and cations are always formed when an element loses electron or electrons. So X is element, atom of X element, this is atom. So when it will lose 3 electrons, so then this X3+ will be formed. So actually X has how many electrons? 13 electrons. So when it will lose 3 electrons, so how many electrons will be left with X? So definitely 10 electrons. So it means that X3+ has how many electrons? 10 electrons, because it will actually lose 3 electrons. It is formed, X3+ is formed by losing 3 electrons. So X3+ will have how many electrons? 10 electrons. So D is the correct option. So this is all for today. So my dear students, I hope that the questions which we have discussed in this video, you understood all of them very well. So if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep watching our channel, keep learning and keep growing. Good luck.